Welcome all to this video. In this video, we are going to describe the history and many theories of embryology or development biology. What is embryology? Embryology came from the word embryon. It's a Greek word. Embryon means the unborn and ology means the study. So it's the study of embryo development. So it's a science that deals with the different development stages of an organism by sexual or asexual method into a fully formed embryo. There are two terms involved in embryology. Embryogenesis, which means the formation of embryo. So it's the formation of embryo from the fertilized egg or the zygote. And another term is the blastogenesis. This word is used when there is a development of new organisms by asexual methods from body like bud and fragments of the body. Nowadays, the term development biology is used. Embryology is an ancient term. It involves only the development of embryo from zygote or the fertilized egg. It involves only the differentiation of cells particularly. But the word development biology is a very wide term. It is a recent term which is used, which is in vogue, and this involves the entirety of an organism lifespan right from zygote to a individual. So development biology is a science which is not restricted to the study of different development stages of an embryo, but it also includes all aspects like biochemical, genetic, physiology, morphology of a developing embryo. According to Barrell 1971, it involves two main processes: cytodifferentiation, that is the differentiation of cells, and ontogenetic development or the morphogenesis. This involves the development of an organism both physically and psychologically from the time of fertilization, that is from the time of zygote to adult. That means it is the study of entirety of an organism lifespan. Regarding the history, we divide the historical aspects of embryology into two: ancient period and modern period. Ancient period dated back before Christ, and this includes many great scientists like Empedocles, Anaximander, Hippocrates, Aristotle, and so on. Empedocles, according to him, the fetus arose partly from male and partly from female semen. That means both male and female, they contribute for the formation of an embryo. According to Herophilus and Galen, the ovary of the female is the one that provides the material for embryogenesis. Aristotle, who is also known as the father of embryology, he coined the term embryon. And according to this great Greek philosopher, he did many observations and studied many embryos of the animals. His observations were very accurate, and he wrote a book known as De Generatione Animalia. So in this way he contributed to the embryology. Hippocrates, another great scientist, he studied the development of eggs of a chick. So in ancient period, many great scientists, they studied different aspects of embryology. In modern period, with dates after Devonian period, many theories were formed, namely theory of free formation, theory of epigenesis, germ layer concepts, Bayer law, biogenic law or theory of recapitulation, germplasm theory of Weismann. What are these theories? We will take one by one. First of all, the theory of preformation. This theory came in 17th century. It was given by a Dutch scientist named Swammerdam. And according to this theory, germ cells, they are actually the preformed miniature of an adult animal. Either the egg has the preformed, it's the preformed miniature. It has a small already preformed structures which are there in the adult, or the sperm has such a structure. So many embryologists, namely the Malpighi, Haller, Bonnet, Splengini, etc., who are known as the ovest, according to them the miniature is in ovum or in egg, and this ovum or egg is stimulated by the sperm, whereas other who are known as spermists like Leeuwenhoek, Harsocker, etc., they said the sperm, particularly the head, is the preformed miniature of an adult animal, and such a miniature was known as homunculus, as shown in the picture 2. Now the theory of apigenesis. According to this theory, nobody agreed with the preformed miniatures. So according to this theory, the embryo is formed by successive progressive formation of new organs. They are not preformed, and such a successive progressive formation of new organs is known as apigenesis. Germ layer concept. This was given in 18th century by Splengini, who studied cleavage of zygote in frog for the first time. And many scientists after this, they studied 3 germ layers, namely ectoderm, endoderm and mesoderm in chick embryo. So this was a germ layer concept. Baer, Carl von Ernst Baer, who is also known as the father of modern embryology, he did many experiments. And one of the theory given by him was development hourglass model. According to this, the embryogenesis, that is the formation of embryo, is more divergent in early stages and later stages. But the middle stage has more conservation of the structures, of the embryogenesis structures. So the early and the later stages are more divergent, whereas the middle stage is not that divergent. This is what is hourglass model given by Baer. Lastly, the germplasm theory of Weismann. Weismann in 1883, he gave this theory, and according to this theory, the cells, some of the cells, they have they are somatic cells, they have somatoplasm, they do not contribute in the transfer of characters from one generation to another generation, but there are particular cells known as the germ cells. They have the germplasm, and there some units are there which are known as the determinants. These are responsible for the transfer of heredity from one generation to another generation. So this theory is known as the germplasm theory of Weismann. That's all in this video. Hope you like this video. Please share and like this video and subscribe to my channel.